Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. Thank you for stopping by my channel and thank you for subscribing to me and watching me. I appreciate it so much. Right now I am doing the Caroline Craftree weekly challenge. That's the hashtag CCT52 challenge. And we're on week 6. And you know, I told you I was going to be lazy and I was just going to do Miss Caroline's prompt, whatever she wrote. So her prompts that she wrote was 2 mixed medias. Yay! Okay. So it was paint splatters and stenciling. And then she wrote bicycle, plastic, something hot, and wings. Okay, so the item that she wrote was supposed to be an embellishment, so I used this as a big cluster tuck spot, and put it as a tuck spot so I could put, you know, our last week stuff in it. So anyway, I did the paint splatters and I just took my inks and did all the background with all these wonderful fun colors because I needed a brightened day, so I did all these fun colors. Of course, you know, I had to put my scorched timber in there because I just, you know, I'm just loving it. And I did the paint splatters with the black over top of it. Then on this piece, the something hot, okay, now it could be 2 things. So I'm going to leave it up to you to decide which one it is. It could be the coffee that I use, you know, to do the dyeing and stuff on the paper. Or it could be the paint, since, you know, I stole it from my sister. So it just depends on how, you know, back where you want to go with it. Then the wings are the birds here, and they're flying around the bicycle. And then we have the bicycle here. And then I also used part of the stenciling there that said pastimes with the wheels. And the number 23, that's an old past thing, you know. And then I cut out 2 holes so we could see the stenciling and stuff behind it. And put the plastic over it for the windows and made the 2 windows there. So that is this week's challenge. I hope you like it. How are you doing? Are you participating, doing the challenges? Go over to Miss Caroline's Facebook page. Go over to her website and her YouTube channel. Check it out. Participate. It's fun, fun, fun. Push you out your comfort zone. Do a little something different. If it don't work, it'll be okay. Just stick it in the book like Juju. And if it's really bad, we'll throw it in the graveyard and never talk about it again. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye. Love you.